Hi, today we're going to make sausage rolls. Super easy and super tasty. So I'm going to use the kitchen whiz to zap some onion, carrot and parsley. So I have just got one onion chopped into quarters and chop the carrot up, and then a good handful of parsley out of the garden. You could use other herbs if you've got them, but it's quite tasty with parsley. So we'll just go over to the kitchen whiz. So we just want to make that nice and small. Just give that a scrape down and give it another zap. I'm just going to put the onion and carrot in a bowl and mix it by hand because my kitchen whiz is pretty gutless and it doesn't take much to mix it. So I've got the carrot in that, I've got breadcrumbs, salt and pepper and some Italian herbs. I've got a couple of tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. You could use barbecue sauce, tomato sauce, whatever you like really. I need to get one egg. One egg, and I've got 2 rolls of sausage meat, and they're 450 gram rolls. And you just buy them from your butchery department in the supermarket and the next to the sausages. Now I'm just going to mix that with my hands. So that's all coming together. I've just brought some flaky pastry from the freezer department, already in the sheets because it's super easy and even. You just want to take the plastic off. I'm using a piping bag. So you just want to turn it over like that, put some sausage in. If you don't have a piping, I'll show you one with a piping bag and one just doing it with your hands. You don't have to use a piping bag. You just want to squeeze out a nice roll along there. I'm going to put another one on top because this is quite a little hole. And then I'm going to get some water. Just give it a little bit of a spray. And then you want to get your pastry like that and roll it, and you sort of want to tuck it in, make it nice and tight. You get a knife, just cut it along there. And that's our first sausage roll. Right, for this one, if you don't have a piping bag, just get it in your hands, make like a sausage, just like that. Bit of water, roll it, tuck it. This is the sausage rolls. What I've got in here is an egg and some milk, and this is just the egg wash glaze, which will make the pastry nice and golden. You just want to get a fork and bring that all together. And then I have my pastry brush, so you want to just put that all over there. And you can make them plain or you can put seeds on them. I think they look quite nice with seeds. I've just got a mixture of seeds here, so I'm going to put some on top. And then you want to get a sharp knife. I'm going to cut them down the middle. Depends how big you want them. I'm going to just cut these into 3. Now if you were using the 900 of sausage, you would get another 4 sausage rolls out of that, another 4 big ones. So I've still got some left because I'm going to show you how to make scotch eggs later. Put on a tray. You want to have your oven at 200 degrees Celsius. You want a nice hot oven for pastry so it puffs up. I've greased my tray so they don't stick, and these will take about 15 minutes to bake. And you can make them bigger if you want, bigger and fatter, but these are quite nice ones for lunch size. So we're just going to put them in the oven. Put them in the oven, and I'm going to put my timer on for 15 minutes. Okay, so these are ready. They actually took 20 minutes to bake, but it just depends on your oven. Beautiful. There's your sausage rolls. That's pretty much 1 pack of sausage meat, and you can always cook them and then pop them in the freezer for later on, whip out for lunches. So I hope you have a go and enjoy them.